If I could turn the clock back a couple of decades to when I first jumped into the stock market, there are 5 big things I would do completely differently if I knew then what I know now. I'm Noah Davidson, and like a lot of new investors, I have probably made every mistake you can possibly think of. And with time and education and working on developing a healthy temperament and focusing on strategies that don't require caffeine and adrenaline, technical voodoo, or meme stock magic, I've managed to build a portfolio that generates cash flow. And I've learned how to protect my assets against market volatility. And that's given me long-term peace of mind. So here are the 5 things I would do differently if I could go back knowing then what I know now. In countdown style, here's number 5. Don't chase hot stock tips. Build on strategy, system, and rules. When I first started trading and investing, I treated the markets like a casino buffet. You got a hot stock tip from your dentist's brother-in-law who works on Wall Street? Load up. It's a bad idea. There are a lot of gurus out there who really don't know their heads from their You want to build on a framework. You want to know your investment rules and criteria. And for your trades, always know your entry, your exit, your risk, your size, and the purpose for every position. Pro tip: if you can't explain why you own a stock without checking Reddit or StockTwits, you don't have an investing idea. That investing idea has you. And that's what we call dumb money behavior. And if you don't know who the dumb money is, it might just be you. Number 4, trade less, think more, and don't let your emotions drive. In the beginning, I fell into the bad habit of over trading, and it would get my heart rate going. It was like my cardio. Don't get me wrong, I love trading, but there's a time and a place for it. And I made the mistake. I confused trading and investing. Every bounce, I'd chase it. Every dip, I would feel the fear and the panic. And trading on impulse, buy, sell, sell, buy. It was insanity. I wish I had learned to differentiate between long-term investing and short-term trading. 2 different games, 2 different rule books, and 2 very different mindsets. Number 3, respect risk like it is gravity. Younger me thought that risk management was for bad stock pickers, and I suffered from severe optimism bias. It won't happen to me, right? If I picked good stocks, the market gods would smile on me and I would somehow magically have less risk than everybody else. Position sizing, stop loss, hedging, diversification. Protect your capital like it owes you money, because it does. Your capital should be working hard for you without taking undue risks. Number 2, cash flow is greater than hope and hype. Back then, I used to chase all high-flying growth stocks with get-rich-quick type stories surrounding them. And now I ask, does this position have a moat like Warren Buffett teaches? And can this position pay me along the way? Some growth stocks, sure, that's a great idea. But also dividends, covered calls, cash-secured puts, a designed portfolio, and not a get-rich-quick wish list. I wish I had known then that stocks can cash flow like real estate, like a rental property, but without all the headaches of real estate. It's easy if you know what you're doing. It's a click of a button and you get paid. Cash flow is greater than hope and hype. Number 1, I would have found a great mentor sooner. Most of my early mistakes came from me trying to DIY my financial education. And if I could go back, I would have 1, started much sooner in life, and 2, I would have found a great mentor as soon as I could. Somebody who had already achieved the results I was hoping to achieve, and I would have learned from them, which I eventually did. But I wish I had done that much sooner. My enthusiasm got ahead of my education. I stepped into trades that I had no business being in. They were way above my pay grade, and I paid for it. But since then, I follow a really simple rule that my mentors taught me. Only trade with strategies that you truly understand, and practice all of those strategies that you don't yet understand, but you want to. That's the beautiful thing about trading and investing in the stock market. You can practice in a virtual account until you gain your confidence. And stick with us and you will gain more confidence. And here's an added bonus for you. Investing is fun. I wish I had known just how fun this game is, how simple it can be, and how much it can change people's lives. It's not just charts and chasing money and poring over spreadsheets. It's skill building, personal growth, challenge, and yeah, it's that occasional dopamine spike when you win. It's a great feeling. And trust me, it's easier to enjoy the process when you're having fun. In fact, that's our mantra. We make stocks fun, simple, and real. And now it's your turn. Drop what you wish you knew before you started investing in the comments below. Somebody who's scrolling is going to have the opportunity to learn from you and your experience. That's the power of our community. Now, if you're just sitting there thinking, Noah, I get it. I know I need to start investing. I know I need to take more control of my financial future, but I just don't know where to get started. Good news. I've got a video right here that'll walk you through exactly what you need to do before you buy your first stock. And if you want coaching, structure, mentorship, and a fantastic community, not just hope and hype, check out the Cash Flow Academy. Link is in the description below. We'll see you there.